I guess we'll call this segment Trash with Tim. I was driving home and a lady in our neighborhood was throwing away a fire pit. It's a propane fire pit, but the inside of it is missing the burner and the pan and all that. That is an empty propane tank. Somebody in the neighborhood had one, and I asked them if they needed it. They said no, so they gave it to me. So now I just gotta go get it refilled. With the fire pit, they had the connector that goes on the tank, so that's pretty cool. So hopefully I can get it fixed. Okay, so I gotta put this cap on this black iron pipe. I'm running gas through these lines, so I have some gas rated Teflon tape. Just go around a few times. Bada boom, bada bang. Screw that on right there. Okay, it's good, right? No, it's good. Gotta tighten it up. Okay, I'll do that 3 more times and be back shortly. Okay, so we got our caps on. I went ahead and put more Teflon on this side. We have a 5-way connector right here, only available online at Home Depot. So it's cross on top, outlet on the bottom. We're gonna have an inlet pipe coming in here, going to all 4 of these little legs. You're gonna call them a leg. Okay, so tomorrow when I go to work, I'm going to drill holes in these pipes and then let our gas come out for our burner. Good morning. Here I am at work. I got this pipe set up. So here's the pipe. I got my holes marked out. I went 1/2 inch from the edge and then went every inch. And then the other side, we rotate it over a little bit and then we do it every inch. So they're offset. Alright, all the holes are drilled. Alright, so I'm back home from work. I got my burner all made up. Whoops. got it all made up, put together. I had to go to the store and buy a reducer, which is this piece right here, which fits my quick connect fitting to goes in my propane tank. So that's pretty much this in a nutshell. So then I had my neighbor is a welding instructor. He has some extra metal laying around, so I had him put together this pan. Then what's going to happen is the burner, of course, will be up like this, but for easier to show it like this, you sit inside the pan like that, and I got to drill a hole in it. So that's the next step. I got to find the center of the pan. The easiest way to do that, flip it over, go from your diagonals, make an X, and there's your center. Too easy. Got the hole drilled. I showed you this. So I have a quick connect fitting, a reducer, shut-off valve, air mixing valve, and a union. The union will screw into here like this after I drop this down through like that. So this is how my burner is going to look for the fire pit. I'll link all the stuff I bought in the description down below. So that's that. Now we'll take some what is this stuff? Lava. Like that. We'll go drop this pan in. We'll get everything, all the propane line hooked up, and then we actually have a bag of glass that came with too. So we'll throw that on top, and we'll get her lit up. Alright. Get our glass. Alright, so now we're getting ready to light it. Handy old lighter works just fine. So we'll turn the tank on. Open our valve. Hear the hissing. And heck yeah.